Hi, kiddos. So definitely not in my classroom today. I am coming to you from my lovely kitchen. Clearly, you see I have dressed for the occasion. I wanted to update you guys. I sent an email and a voicemail to you guys and your parents concerning Google Classroom codes and invitations. There was a little bit of a glitch yesterday. Please be patient. I'm still looking to. I just spent an hour inviting all the guardians that I could for first period. I will get through the other 5 class periods today, I promise. We have a virtual faculty meeting in about 17 minutes. I don't know how long that will last. When I finish that, I'm going to go back to inviting guardians in your respective Google Classrooms, and then I am going to double check all grades before they lock in tomorrow for the third 9-week grading period. I promise that you guys will have everything up and running by Monday, okay? For my AP kiddos, please listen carefully. This message is especially for you. Your independent novel study. We are going to change that up a little bit. Mr. Davidson and I talked about this, and I think what I'm going to do with my kids is I am going to create a book club. I'm going to take all the number of AP students that I have in each class, divide you guys up, or divide each book up into 4 people. I will send out a Google form sometime before Monday, and whoever signs up for that book first gets it. No group is going to read more than no one group will read the same book. So some of your books will be changing, some of them might stay the same, but I will have however many numbers of book clubs that I have, depending on the amount of students, which I think I have about 108, 110-ish of you AP kiddos, okay? So by all means, read your book already if you're reading it. She said, hopefully. But if you're not, don't don't start it yet. Just wait until you hear more from me on that subject. Okay, so more news coming about the independent novel study for that. My E4 kiddos, you guys will be reading a novel together. It'll be one novel. You'll learn more about that later. That'll be a couple weeks down the road. So don't worry about that yet. Okay. I hope you are all doing very well. I miss you guys so much. Please don't hesitate to contact me over Remind or email, but just remember now in 14 minutes, I do have a faculty meeting and I don't know how long that'll be. So give me a minute to get back to you guys, okay? Be well. Bye.